Igqiza eliphezulu le-ANC kwiphondo laKwa-Zulu Natal lithi lixolile kakhulu inkqubo yokunyulwa kwabagqatswa kumasebe ohlukeneyo kweliphondo. Lombutho uphinde wamemelela amasebe angakayi qukumbeli inkqubo yokunyula abagqatswa babo ukuba akhawuleze ayiqoshelise le nkqubo kule nyanga izayo. Kusenjalo Lombutho uthi usaqobisana nezikhalazo zamalunga lombutho nakhalazela ukungalandelwa ngendlela kwenkqubo yokuchongwa kwabagqatswa kumanye amasebe eliphondo.
We accept that there are complaints that have not been resolved. You know, a week ago when the PLC informed us about the number of complaints, they said to us, we have close to 200 complaints, but we still have to go through them and sift them out, because the reality is that, which I've seen as well with some people who are sending letters to me, sometimes you'll have 10 people complaining from one branch. And that, in the eyes of the PLC, would be classified as 10 complaints, while it's actually 10 individuals who are complaining about the same process. That is why we said to the PLC, it's well and good that we're estimating to be around 200 complaints, but we need to go through that and really ascertain whether are we having 200 complaints or the rest are duplicates. As you deal with each branch, you will discover that they are actually less than what you are talking about. How many municipalities are affected? Look, the entire district of Zululand is affected. Edumbe, Abakulusi, Pongolo, Onongoma, Ulundi, so 5 municipalities definitely affected. And as it stands, if the electoral court or the CONCORD does not in any way decide in a manner that will allow the IEC to reopen the process, the ANC is really going to be difficult in those municipalities. It is almost certain that the ANC will not have the ability to secure the governance of the municipalities that the ANC was leading, which of course would be very unfortunate and also would be a very painful experience to the great number of our comrades, really outstanding patriots that are in that northern part of our province, who have been working very hard to push back the IFP and ensure the ascendance of the African National Congress.